In the vast expanse of the universe, where countless stars and galaxies dance, a profound question lingers. Are we truly alone in the cosmos? Today, we embark on a journey to understand the mysterious concept of the Great Filter, which holds the key to humanity's place in the cosmos. In this video we'll talk about the Great Filter, unraveling the enigma. Welcome to the MindBend universe. Join us as we delve into the enigmatic filters that shape the path to advanced civilizations. Let us explore the challenges that may determine the destiny of intelligent life in the universe. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you never miss a moment of our cosmic adventures. Let's embark on this incredible voyage through time and space, right here on MindBend Universe. Let's get started. Our journey begins with the Fermi paradox, named after the brilliant physicist Enrico Fermi. As we contemplate the vastness of the cosmos, the paradox raises a compelling question. With countless stars and potentially habitable planets, where are the extraterrestrial civilizations? Shouldn't the universe be teeming with life, buzzing with advanced civilizations exchanging knowledge and wisdom across the cosmos? Now we'll enter the Great Filter hypothesis, an intriguing concept suggesting that life faces critical hurdles on its journey to advanced civilizations. Could it be that there exists a cosmic obstacle that prevents life from spreading throughout the universe? The Great Filter could be a formidable force lurking in the cosmic shadows, presenting challenges that only a select few civilizations might successfully overcome. Now we'll see the early filters. Early filters propose that the emergence of life itself might be an exceedingly rare event in the universe. From the complex chemistry of abiogenesis to the evolution of multicellular organisms, the journey from non-life to intelligent beings is fraught with challenges. In the early stages of life's evolution, countless conditions must align perfectly for life to emerge. From the formation of essential building blocks to the right planetary conditions, the cosmic dice must roll in favor of life's inception. Let's see the technological filters. Technological filters arise from the potential misuse of advanced technologies. As civilizations grow in technological prowess, they face the risk of self-destruction through nuclear warfare or ecological devastation. Throughout history, civilizations have faced critical junctures where technological progress could lead to both unprecedented prosperity and grave peril. The delicate balance between technological advancement and responsible stewardship of knowledge shapes the destiny of civilizations. Now we'll know about the rare Earth hypothesis. The rare Earth hypothesis speculates that the conditions for complex life to evolve are incredibly rare and unique to our planet. Factors like a habitable zone around a stable star, a protective magnetic field, and the presence of liquid water might be essential ingredients for life to thrive. As we explore distant exoplanets, astronomers search for worlds akin to Earth, where the harmony of conditions allows life to flourish. The rarity of these habitable gems in the cosmos raises profound questions about life's potential abundance or scarcity. What is the Great Silence? Despite extensive efforts to search for intelligent life beyond Earth, we have encountered the Great Silence, leaving us to wonder if advanced civilizations are intentionally avoiding contact or if they are scarce in the cosmos. As we gaze at the stars, we listen for whispers from distant realms. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence sparks curiosity and wonder as we ponder the possibilities of cosmic conversation. What is implications and speculations of the Great Filter? The implications of the Great Filter are profound and have led to various speculations. Some suggest that advanced civilizations might face unavoidable existential threats, while others propose that life might be exceedingly rare. Scientists and thinkers from diverse fields ponder the ramifications of the Great Filter. Debates rage, and the cosmic mystery deepens as we wrestle with the question of our place in the universe. The search for answers continues, as scientists and explorers remain steadfast in their search for signs of intelligent life beyond our planet. We strive to unlock the mysteries of the Great Filter and understand our place in the cosmic tapestry. With each mission, We push the boundaries of knowledge and humanity's reach into the cosmos. We stand on the threshold of profound discoveries that might one day illuminate the cosmic enigma that is the Great Filter. As we contemplate the Great Filter and the grandeur of the cosmos, we are humbled by the mysteries that await us. The quest for understanding reminds us of our interconnectedness with the universe. Let us remain united in our cosmic journey, driven by curiosity, and inspired by the wonders of the universe. Together, we seek to answer the ultimate question: are we alone in the cosmos? Thank you for joining us on this enthralling journey through the Great Filter, unraveling the enigma. If you found this exploration captivating, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our mind-bending uploads. Your ongoing support means the universe to us. Stay curious, keep exploring, and may the wonders of the universe continue to inspire us all.